Dimen, view. Hın dimenan bakışının. Let's capture a few landscapes. This one is our plurality suffixes. Dimenan. Je were, for you. Je were, parve bakın. Let us share this with you. So parve bakın means let us share, and je were means for you. For example, when you say je mere, it means for us. Ciheki çava. What kind of place? Evder ciheki çavaye. What kind of place is this place? So evder means this place, and this one is emza particle in Kurdish.